God, they're both doing it. They're both doing it.
So cute. Look, can you dance?
Is that sugar hitting you? Alright, Mommy's gonna eat the rest of that cake if you don't eat it pretty soon. Yeah, you better eat it. You better eat it. Another drink? Want a swig?
Yeah, your hands are pretty dirty, so I'll do it for you.
Drinky, drinky, make some stinky. More cake. Cake is yummy.
Is that good, Blair?
Is the sugar hitting your system? Is the sugar shocking your system yet?
I hope she sleeps for you later.
Might be in for a late night.
I might be getting a phone call, right?
Danielle!
We're gonna go to bed. You come over and watch her.
Goodness.
Hi, buddy. You want this?